So here we've got some equations. Okay, it's an equation because it's got an equal sign, and it's a quadratic equation because it's got an x squared. But because it's got x squared and x's, the balancing method is not going to work for us here. So we've got to think about factorising. Now factorising, we must have equals 0 on the right hand side, and we must have things multiplied together on the left hand side. So this is the shape that we want. We want things to look like the following. A times b equals 0, where a and b are factors, things multiplied together. So let's go ahead and factorise. The good news is, look, all of these questions equal 0, so that's great. Let's go ahead and factorise the left-hand side. So what we're looking for is common factors. Now you could think of this x squared as x times x, and this 2x as 2 times x. And can you see the common factor is the x in both pieces? Yeah. So let's take out x, bracket, bracket equals 0. Copy down the plus. Now x times something to give x squared, that'll be x. X times something to give 2x, that'll be 2. Okay, so we've factorised the left-hand side. And the reason why we factorise is now we've got the format that we want. We've got something times something to equal 0. So we take each of those factors and we say, well, make x equal to 0, or we can make x plus 2 equal to 0. There's one solution, and we do the balancing method now because we've got a nice linear equation to solve. X equals to -2. Again, you can check both of those. The original equation was x squared plus 2x equals 0. And if I substitute x equal to 0 in here, this is 0 squared plus 2 times 0. Yeah, that's 0. If I substitute -2 in, that's -2 squared plus 2 into -2. You'll find this is 4 minus 4 is also 0. Okay, so we've got two solutions. Now let's just do the other ones. I'm going to go straight to taking x out as a common factor, x minus 3. So either x equals 0 or x minus 3 equals 0. There's a solution. Balancing, plus 3 plus 3. You don't need this extra bit, but I just like to put it in. Beautiful. This one a little bit naughtier. Can you see that actually we've got, can you see 2 and 4? The highest common factor there is 2. And here we've got x squared and x, so there's x is common as well. So we try and take out the highest common factor, so that's 2x. Okay, so I've put the structure in place. Now 2xx, that is what's missing here. And 2x times by 2 gives me 4x. So either 2x equals 0 or x plus 2 equals 0. Go ahead and solve both linear equations. Divide by 2, divide by 2. That would be x equals 0. And here subtract 2, subtract 2. That would be x equals -2. And finally, this one here, I've got 5 and 10, so common factor would be 5. Also x squared and x, so x. So 5x times by x would give me 5x squared, and 5x times by 2 would give me 10x. So we either make 5x equals 0 or x minus 2 equals 0. Go ahead and finish off x equals 0 or x equals to 2. So there you go, solving quadratic equations by factorising.